Hi, I'm KCGOH. This is a tutorial video for Smart Fund Index. Before I proceed further, please pause to read my disclaimer statement. Okay, welcome back. I am the creator of my screener, which I use 9 formulas to select a list of stock for my trading purpose. Hi, I'm KCGOH. I am the creator of my screener, which I use 9 formulas to select a list of stock for my trading purpose. Tonight, I'm going to show you how do I use Smart Fund Index. When I launched my screener 1 year ago, I had only 7 formulas and 3 chart models. After much thought and additional investment put into this screener, we developed 2 new formulas and add 2 new chart models. I believe these formulas and chart model will help my user to create new profit from the market. I will be doing video to show my user how to use all my 9 formulas in the charting software. For this video, I will only be doing for Smart Fund Index to show you how to use the Smart Fund Index. First of all, after you log in, you need to refresh your chart. It's on the right hand side. There is a small button which called refresh chart. Okay, so you just click it. This is to make sure that the chart is being updated. Okay, and then you will then click the screener to go into the rule selections. You click on the left hand side button. So this rule selections window will come out, and then you scroll down, and then you will tick on put a tick on the Smart Fund Index buy. Of course, there is a Smart Fund Index sell, but we only use the Smart Fund Index buy, and then you put a save on it, then you save it. Okay, and then you just click on the screener to make sure everything is been updated. Okay, these are the stock that being selected by the formula. So we have 58 of them. Okay, and then you will click the price chart, so you will see the price chart. Okay, in fact, the result is on the left hand side. The result panel, you can see on the left hand side, there's a result. There's a result panel. So let me go through with you, not all of the stock, but some of the stock, just to show you how do I select a stock. Okay, and let me just explain a little bit here. There are 3 windows here. The upper window is the stock chart, okay, with the volume pillar at the bottom. And then the second window, the middle window, is the rate of change. And the third window is the Smart Fund Index, okay. I will explain as we go along, okay. Just on a little bit on the rate of change. Rate of change is like when the trader is trading the stock, number of times the stock change hand. Okay, and then you can actually see when the price is coming down, the rate of change, the chart for the rate of change actually also is coming down. Okay, so when the chart start to come down to the bottom and start to move up, that is the time you can start to enter the market. Okay, And then you can see also for the smart fund index, we have like red mountain and also the green mountain. Okay, for the red mountain reflects the smart fund. When the smart funds start to come in, normally there is just a very shallow mountain. Okay, and then later on it will start to move up, and then there's a sharp move of the chart, and then that's the time the price start to move very fast. Okay, and then if you see the green mountain, there's the time when the price starts to come down, and also that is the time the retailer start to go in. Normally retailer like to buy at the low, and then they will queue lower and lower. Okay, so that is basically the how we interpret the chart. Just simple logic. Okay, let me go through the chart, some of the result, and then we can from the interpretation, you probably will be able to learn how I select a stock. Okay, let me go through. Okay, these are the result of the screening. Let me just now I've gone through a little bit, so let me just jump into some of the stock. Okay, Anju, supposing Anju. Okay, Anju is a steel stock. Okay, and then like China has already announced that they are not going to export their steel, and then they're probably going to import steel from overseas. So our steel factory probably will be able to sell steel to China. Okay, that will means that our steel company will be able to make more money. And also as American, they are also going into building their infrastructure. So they will need a lot of steel. So then that means the demand for the steel will be high, and then while there's a demand, of course the prices will go up. So we are expecting the price for the steel will go up like about 20 to 30%. Okay, so meaning the price for the steel counter will also move out like 20 to 30% in that sense. Okay, let me just go through like okay, say you look at this stock, Anju, this the rate of change actually come down. When the price come down, the rate change also come down. And then on June 30th, the rate of change like is come to a standstill. Okay, and then of course we don't know that is the low for the stock. Okay, so that day is June 30th, and then the low is 191, and it closed at 192. That means the price has actually rebounded a little bit, by 1 cent. Okay, so we are not sure yet. It's not really confirmed that the price has already like reversed. Okay, so the second day, the price closed at 197. Then we are confirmed that the price actually has already reversed. Okay, and then also when we look at the rate of change, the graph actually already curved up. Okay, so that is a sign that we can actually enter into this stock. Okay, and also you look at the graph for the smart fund index. Also, the retailer started to reduce, so that is also a good sign for investor to enter the stock. Okay, since it's the end of day chart, and then we have look at the chart for July 1st, and then we decided that this is the entry point. So we have to enter the next day, that is on the July 2nd at the opening price. Okay, because since we already confirmed that the price has already reversed up, so the likelihood that the stock will be moving quite upward quite fast. So in order to catch it, we have to enter at the opening price. So the opening price for Anju is 192. We just take it. Okay. So after we bought lower, sometime it will move down, and that is not important. Important is we need to buy, and then we hold it, and then we expect the stock to go up in a short term. So okay, then say supposing we have bought this stock, and then on July 2nd, and then actually on July 2nd probably is I think it's a Friday, so it is 3rd and 4th is a Saturday and Sunday. So July 5th is a Monday. The price can move up. Okay, move up to 209 and close at 208, and then move up again on the 6th, Tuesday, 210. So and then also the closing price is 208, and on the 7th it opened at 208, and also it closed at 207. Supposing we are not comfortable with the price, with the movement, the pattern, because it did not cross the 20-day moving average. The red line is a 20-day moving average. It did not cross. So meaning there is a resistance over there. There's a resistance. Okay. So since the resistance, actually we have to, because it's already tested 2 times, means that on the 6th, it didn't cross. And on the 7th, also didn't cross. So before the end of the day, we actually need to get out, because we actually can make some money already. So we just get out. If we get out, then we have to, it's also correct really, because if we get out, then next day we found the price actually moved down. So the price moved down, and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually down for 5 days. Move back to 186, So while the price moved down 186, but the ROC, the rate of change curve actually move up. That means there is a divergence. That's a divergence. So then there is a divergence, then also denote that is the time that we have to buy back. So when we buy back, we have to buy back on the July 13. We see there's a divergence. So July 14 morning, we just buy back. We buy back at 192 again. So after we bought back, the thing actually started to move. And on the July 16, it actually crossed. July 15 actually crossed the 20-day moving average line, but later on it actually dropped back to 5-day moving average line. So then July 16 it really crossed. After that it just moved up. And then move to July 22nd. So July 22nd, it actually moved to 223. Let me see, it's 233. Okay. So after that, you can see this kind of signal is like is a long upper shadow. So I actually taught my members or students that if you see the long upper shadow, and then if the price actually move up, and then after that it start to move down by 6 beats, you need to get out. So if you trade this stock, and then you actually should get out like in 6 beats. I mean, like I think it's 238. Okay. So you have to calculate back what 238, 237, 236, 235, 6 bits. Or if you didn't get out in 6 bits, close to the closing price, you actually get out like at 226. Because after that it might just move down. In fact, later on it moved down again. Later on it moved down again to 214. Okay. So after that, actually, you can actually buy back at the 219. 219. Since we are hopeful on the steel stock, so we might want to hold on to this stock. If we didn't break below 20-day moving average line. But now it looks like this stock is quite stable at the moment. Okay, let's go to the other one, APP Asia. Okay, APP Asia, there's some corporate exercise here. So so this one, there's some volume over here. So looks like okay, tonight, actually today, he has actually gone up, penetrate, cross above 20-day moving average line. So if you want, and then also the smart fund index also like suddenly jump up. So if you want tomorrow morning, actually you should just get in. If you have the fund, if you like to invest, that this is one of the stock you might want to look at it. Okay, so the today is closed at 0.17. So the entry price for you could be 0.17 or 0.175, or depends on tomorrow morning opening. Okay. So this is for APP Asia. The other one is the let me just go on to CMSB. CMSB, we can say is a political link stock, because it actually we can say belongs to the Sarawak government. So so a lot of people when you talk about political link, this is one of the stock that people will look at. CMSB own a lot of company in Sarawak. Okay, especially the Sarawak might have an election maybe next year. So already a lot of speculations saying that this stock might be played. Okay, so just we look at this stock. Okay, you see the it was actually come down for quite some time, and then you see the retailer are in and all that, and also the although the graph for ROC, rate of change, actually has gone up, and also some volume, but only recently, like in August 16, only we can see the smart fund actually enter. So and then today we can see the price actually had crossed above 20-day moving average. So this stock actually is quite stable already. So if you want, tomorrow also is the time for the investor to look at it. Maybe at today close at 1.19, so tomorrow maybe 1.19, okay, or 1.20, depending on the tomorrow closing opening price. Okay. The other one you want to look at it is the freight, FIIGHT freight. This is there's also some corporate exercise going on, and after that the retailers started to go in, and then the price is quite stagnant. So until this recently, that you can see the the smart funds start to move in is when like July 16, and after come down, also coming back, sometimes coming back is August the 9th. Okay, so supposing you want to trade this stock, okay, if you want to trade this stock, actually you can trade when the thing come down to July 14, it's still black candle, so we don't trade on black candle. But after that, 15, the white candle show that the stock has already reversed. So that is the time actually you can consider buy, enter maybe on the next day, then July 16. Yeah. After that, maybe you can just get out maybe on July, because if you buy, enter at 0.68, the second day is 735 already. Actually has already got profit. So you actually can get out, or if you don't want, you wait. But it looks like it cannot cross. It tests on July 19, and that is the 20-day moving average line. Okay, so July 21st, it tried to move up, but didn't. The second day, 22nd, tried to cross, cannot cross. 22nd already crossed, but later on move back. So if you were to trade this stock, if you didn't get out on July 19, you better get out on July 22nd. Because the reason is because the investors want to push above the 20-day moving average line, but fail because later on it come down. So if you fail, it means the stock will move downwards. So you need to get out. And also the smart fund index, also the graph also already show weakness. Okay, so there's if you didn't get out on July 19, you have to get out on July 22nd. Okay, period. Okay, after that come down, because all along is black candle, so it's not the right timing to enter back into this stock. But after that, on this day is August 6th candles, there's a doji sign that show that the market is turning. So if you see a doji sign, while this is considered bottom of the market already. Okay, so the price closed at 62, and then you can see the ROC, rate of change, also move out. That means there's a kind of divergent. So you need to get in. You get in on August 9. That is on 625. On that day itself, if you're a short-term trader, and the day itself, you can just sell already. You got money to make. If you don't want, you can hold until today. If there is a weakness, then maybe you can get out. And also the rate of change already moved to quite a top. So maybe for the safety of your fund, maybe you should take some profit, or you should just sell and then get out, take the profit. Okay. Okay. The other one is FSBM, 9377. Okay, 9377. I like to advise the investor or my member to get in when the price started to cross above the 20-day moving average line. So that is when? That is like June 23rd. So if you were to go in at June 23rd, you go in on June 23rd, and also that day you can see there are a few instances. There are few instances where the price has already penetrate to the 20-day moving average line. Actually, is a 5 and 20-day moving average line already been penetrate. So that is on 18, 23rd, and also 22nd. Okay, so meaning this is the first instance, second instance, third instance. Okay, meaning after that you actually have to move in. So supposing you move in on the 22nd, there's 0.145. After that, of course, it come down. That there is when it's already crossed, meaning there is the player has a determination to move the stock up. When there is a one day down, is actually we can just ignore. Ignore, because we look at the rate of change. Is actually move upward, and then also we look at the smart index. There is also the smart fund actually already start entering the stock. Okay, so after that you can see the sudden move of this stock. July 12 actually moved to 25.5. That's about more than 10 cents. Is a move to 30 cent. Okay, 38 cent. Okay, so that is your profit. Okay, so after that, of course, after that you can see the actually intraday you have to sell because the price start to move down, obviously, quite obvious. So you have to get out. If you don't get out, then the profit is gone. See, so after that, of course, when you get out, you don't get in so fast. You have to look for another opportunity. The another opportunity comes when the ROC, the rate of change, actually the graph of rate of change actually start to move up. So that is the time. The obvious day will be on the August the 3rd. August the 3rd, you can see the white candle coming out already. That means the price actually has already turned up. So that is the we close at 0.20, and the rate of change actually have already moved curve up. So you need to get in on August 4th at 0.21. After that, it actually move up again. So if you're trading short term, you actually have made money the second time. So today, this stock actually had, if you saw already on this August 6th, so you actually can buy back maybe tomorrow morning. Okay, so that's how you do your the stock selections. That means after the list has already come out, you check one by one. Check by one, see which other one is likely to move. So the other one will be, just look at the Gadang. Gadang, you can see all the stock actually moved downward. Moved downward. It was, the high was March 11. After that, come down, and then the second time moved to 465. April the 7th. After that, come down all the way. So so it is below the 20-day moving average line. But today he has already penetrate through, cross above 20-day moving average line. So, and then also the rate of change, also the graph for rate of change also curve up. So, and you can see the smart fund also has already appearing. So tomorrow is the right time for you to go in. That's how you read the chart. Okay. So the other one will be HEX industry. HE industry, HE industry, you can see there are here a few opportunity. The one opportunity is to enter July the 8th. July 8th, the price has already penetrated through the 20-day moving average line. So you will enter on the June the it's June the 8th. June the 8th, the price already penetrate through the 20-day moving average line, and this, of course, you enter on the second day, that is June the 9th. Later on, it come down a bit. You can ignore that, and then after that, actually it move up. When it move up to on June 22nd, that's the time you can sell. Okay, you can take profit, and then after that, when you start to buy back, you probably can buy back on the when you find that the rate of change curve up. That is on a July 9, you can see the curve already curve back up. So you will buy on July the 12th, because July 9 is the Friday, then 10, 11, then 12 is the Monday. So you just enter at 0.27, and after that, it just move up. It move up. You can sell actually on July 21st or July 22nd or July 22nd or July 23rd. Okay. So that's how you can make your money in the market. Okay. So after that, when it come down, actually this you can see the 20-day moving average line is quite a strong support for this stock. So you can buy back either on July 28 or July 29, because it didn't drop below the 20-day moving average line. And today again, it started to the you can see it actually went up to 38, and then it come down, but it just stopped at the 20-day moving average line. There are two doji here, and then you can see this today white candle again. That means the rate of change also curve up. So if you want, actually tomorrow is the time for you to enter again. Okay, the other one is Hectare also there's some corporate exercise going on, but this one the price actually have crossed above 20-day moving average line, and the smart fund index actually return, and ROC also curve up. So the likelihood that this stock will move higher again. Okay. So the other one, let me see. Okay, I won't go through all the stock, okay, but just go through a few, just to show you how we interpret, how to use the chart. Okay. Jackson. Jackson, you can see there's some price action here on July 5th. After that, it is like start coming down and then sideways. So today there is so today the volume actually touches the 50-day moving average line. Okay, and then also the ROC, rate of change, also have already penetrated through the 10-day moving average line. And also we can see the smart fund also entering, re-entering the stock. So I think this is the time. Tomorrow is the time for you to start to enter into this stock if you have the fund, if you like to invest. This is probably the timing. Tomorrow is the timing. Okay, these are the few examples I want to show you. And if you like this tutorial video, you can subscribe to it. Okay, thank you for viewing, and see you again in the next video. Thank you.